What's up, y'all? Back at it with a new video. Today we are doing a graduation photo shoot at LongWood Gardens. Today this is the setup. I have the GoPro. I'm gonna have the chest rig. I have my camera. We having a flash. We set up. We're gonna be outside. I'm gonna give y'all views when we get there. We're gonna get views all the way. Thank y'all. Hey, we back out with a new video. So this is LongWood Garden. Once we got in there, we made a right and walked all the way down this path. There's a lot of people there. This is in late April, so all the flowers was looking real good. Everybody had their families out there. A lot of people had cameras out there. A lot of people was out there taking pictures. It was very, very beautiful. So we came all the way down to this path, and we found some flowers the same color as her dress. So I was like, I had to go there first. So you see her, boom, right there. So we setting up. This is me setting up. Make sure everything's good. Make sure you always double check your stuff. And I know I said graduation, but it was junior prom. It was really gloomy that day, a lot of cloud coverage. It wasn't the best day for shooting, but we made it work. That's a 70-200 telephoto lens I was using. Trusty dusty book bag. That was a 24-105. I just put in the bag when I had it. Make sure y'all stay hydrated. All right.
You can see my brush, right?
Huh?
You can't see nothing behind me like my brush.
No.
That's what's right. You can flare it out or anything.
That's fine. Just that little smudge right there. Let me just get test shots. Hold on. Chin up. Come on, people, watch out. You got the Chinese people in the background. Oh my God.
Oh, they're so cute.
I'm sorry. Come on. It's that pink hoodie in the back. Come on. Nah, it's not you. It's the hoodie in the back. So it's not the other girl, just you?
She bailed on me last week.
I need this lady in the pink to keep it moving. I'm sorry. Nah, one of my like.
You can't like blur them out.
I can, but it's still in like the color is still in the background.
You can't like black and white it. Black and white it. That wasn't dope.
Yeah, but it's still in the background. I don't like that. There's a lot of people right there too, man. I like it. That shit fire. Oh, hold on. All right, just look at your chin up a little bit. People just keep it moving and stop looking.
chin, tilt the head this way. Not that, not as much, not as much. Yeah, maybe do something with your hands. But keep your legs crossed though. Yeah. Maybe put one on your hand, maybe put one like that. Yeah, I like that. Chin down a little bit. Yep. Fire, I'm gonna show you. You'll probably go to a different spot if you want to.
That's cute.
You see how the people in the background come mess it up?
And this was us walking to the next spot, which was right on the other side of the bank where the people was actually walking at. We didn't stay there too long because we found out a lot of people walk there, so it's really hard to do. Make sure I grab everything, and we was out. Right on the other side. Love them flowers.
We're gonna be slow. You guys go ahead.
Oh, I gotta turn this on. And step closer, take a step up. You're good, I'm gonna let some people by.
I know y'all can go
She
by.
wants to take a picture with you because
Really?
she thinks you're so beautiful.
You just have to step over too, son? Yeah, right there. You good? Hold on, I have to move this. Make sure you keep your legs covered crossed. It don't, that's as far as it come over? Oh, okay. See if we can get this rocking. See how? Chin up.
Wait, where my phone is?
Huh?
Where my phone is?
In your pocket. What time you plan on leaving?
My I know I paid you for an hour, but my car don't start until 7.
Alright. Chin up a little bit. Hold on. You gotta smile. You gotta give me, yeah. You gotta be happy like you going to prom. I like how you lean forward like that. Yeah, I like that. Chin up a little bit. Chin this way a little bit more. Yeah.
Can you give me my brush?
My bro said he was gonna slide, but he said he was. He said he was asleep, so I ain't really tripping if he do or not. Huh? No. I'm trying to think. Just looking.
This is us walking to the third spot. It was us walking back down towards where we walked before, walking kind of back towards the entrance, which is not. It's still a big area, but we walked to all these people because there looks a lot of people. Get the time to look and take all the flowers in. I'm thankful for this GoPro because I couldn't have just carry everything and record all this at the same time. I didn't have this GoPro, man. The GoPro 10. Lovely day out there. You see, people was all in my way. I had to slow down, walk fast, turn around. Look at the little girls out there. They was taking pictures. They were cute. Everybody looking at the flowers. And this is where we took the pictures from before. And we walked over to this little staircase where I set up the I set up the stand in the grass.
This. But we can rest the ass.
You want me to come down?
No. Right here like this. Yeah, it records the video.
Oh.
So I can upload to YouTube.
How'd you beat us down here? You were at the other end when we started.
Oh yeah, I be moving.
Hey, did he hear?
It's just dark. Hold on.
Did he hear?
Nah, he said how I beat him down here.
Oh.
I was moving. Make sure you look towards the light. Yeah, come up a little bit. I need you to be in front of that light. But make sure you're towards that, face that light a little bit. Yeah. Oh. Remember the light's over that way. Yeah, that's the way you need to look. Maybe the light's not in the right way. It's not light.
You want to come up here and see how it looks from down?
I'm sure it looks like me.
I don't like it. I mean that.
I like that one, but it was dark.
Yeah, no.
I don't like it.
I like where I'm at. I just don't like the lighting.
Yeah, I don't like the lighting either. But look at me this way again. Yeah, step out that way. Yeah, step right there. Not that far, but one more. Step in. This way a little bit. All right, now face me a little bit more. Yep, this is the angle right here. I just wish. Remember, chin, look more this way? Yeah. You're good, you can come down. Chin down a little bit. Chin down. Yep. I like that one. Just like that. All right, what's that bench we seen at? Where's that bench at? You wanna see? How you doing?
Those are cute.
But I feel like we just go to the other side.
Alright.
Yeah. You good? Huh?
Oh yeah, so I forgot to record the walk over here, but this is the section where they have like little grass things, little grass cutout areas, and this is where the lady approached me talking about you're not allowed to have standing flashes or anything freestanding in the whole park. And I'm like, I've been in this park all day and you're the first person saying something to me. So I put the stand up and we just took pictures without the flash. The flash made it look dope because of the gloomy. It was a gloomy, so that much really, she didn't have that much light on her face. But that is how they came out.
Wait, recording. What's up? My name's Renasia. We at LongWood Gardens. We shooting for my junior prom. Yeah, alright, I'm done.
The shoot is over. It went good. Lady tried to tell us we couldn't have my stand out, but it's whatever. It was over anyway. They can't hold me down. A lot of people got cameras out here. Probably don't know how to use them, but it's cool. They spent some money on them though. I can tell you that. But all right, y'all, checking out. I'll post the pictures after. Hey, we out.